Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are fine and doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear student, today I am going to take a science class for class 7 student. Dear student, our today's topic is M.C.Q based on chapter 8. Let us see today's topic at a glance. Our today's topic is M.C.Q from chapter 8 and this is lecture number 13 and our SW number will be 27 number SW. So dear student, let us start today's class. You can see here is 5 M.C.Q questions and answers. Today we will solve this M.C.Q. Beginning of this question, here is a stem. Read the passage given below attentively and answer the question number 22 and 23. In your book, here is a question in chapter 8. This is page number 97. Here is the question. This is page number 97. And the stem is the explosions on the surface of the moon and shooting a gun on the surface of the earth. In both cases, the flashes of light are seen. 22 number question is to hear the sound of explosion on the surface of the moon from the earth. Option here is the distance of moon will be less. Option 2 is the medium must be in between the earth and the moon. And third number option is the limit and audibility will be 20,000 hertz. Which one is correct? We know that sound for transform sound need medium. So the medium must be in between the earth and the moon. These two option is correct and these 3 number option is correct. The limit and audibility will be 20,000 hertz. So here is D number is the right answer. So we will put it here. That means 2 number option and 3 number option is correct. 23 number question is which one will be observed last if both the incidents take place at a time. So here is the first option is the sound of gunfire. B number option the light produced by gunfire. C number the sound of explosion and D number the light of explosion. Which one is correct? Here is C number is correct, the sound of explosion. So we will write this C number. Now 24 number question. Which instrument produced sound with the help of its inside vibration? Here is the first option is guitar and B number option is monochord instrument and C number option is guitar and D number option is flute. Here is the answer is flute. That means D number. Now 25 number question. Sound is a form of, option is energy, B number substance, C number motion, D number none of the above. We know sound is a form of energy, so A number is the correct answer. Now 26 number, which one of the following energies belongs to audibility? 1 number option light, B number option heat, and C number option sound, and D number option is solar energy. For audibility, this is C number. C number is the correct answer. So dear student, I have finished today's topic. Now I will give you SW. Our today's SW number is 27 number SW. And your SW will be these MCQ questions and answers, and you have to pick the questions and 4 options. Here is the 5 MCQ question and answer, and this will be your SW. I am repeating your SW. This is 27 number SW, and your SW will be these MCQ questions and answers. That means here is a 5 questions and answers, and we have already provided you our suggestion, and this is all question here is based on our suggestion. So dear student, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice it at home and do your assigned SW in your SW copy, and you will get 2.5 marks for each SW. So dear students, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.